Well, good morning, everyone. So here I have my journal, Nature's Design by Tracy. It was a collaboration between Tracy Fox and Artymaze, and I love how it turned out. I love the kit. It's beautiful. Ladies, if you, well, I don't think you watch my channel, but if you ever happen to, I love your kit. It's awesome. So let's get started. So I made this little tag. It has art glitter glue on the top of it. I did one on the back, backed it with some black paper in the middle, and then put an eyelet and put it on a bulb clip. This is Tim Holtz washi tape, some pink ribbon here, some more washi tape there. This is a little card that came in the kit, and I put it up on foam tape. I put the idea one here with the two brads. This is some lace that lace curtain that my sister-in-law had that she cut up some for me, so I used that across the top of my journal. The back, the curtain goes all the way through the journal, as well as the sari silk that I have tying it. Some more of that pink lace. And here's a paper clip that I did in vinegar and baking soda, I think, and it took all the shine off of it, and then I sprayed it with the speckled egg Tim Holtz oxide spray, and I love how it turned out. I don't know if you can, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, okay. And then I'll show you when we get to the center of the beads, but let's put this here and untie it. All right, so I have this as the opening part here. It has a pocket in the front and a pocket in the back because I did it with those envelopes. And then I have this opening part right here that I have held down with a paper clip because it's another fold out, and it's a whole another envelope that I have that I pulled out. So when I did some triple fold tearing, which you end up with three pockets on this one, and then over here I have another pocket as well that you could put stuff in. I used some index cards and made a little pocket there. It doesn't have a pocket anywhere else. Looks like it could, huh? Different places, but that's where the pocket is. And this is Quaker lace on there. Oh, let me show you the other side too. You can do that while it's sitting down because that'll open up. This is Quaker lace that I got from my friend Adrian, and thank you so much. And a little tab. And this is another torn pocket here, which gives you plenty of spots, tuck spots and everything. I didn't make anything there. Figured you could write on those if you wanted to, in little spots. So let me get that back over here. We'll put this on. Okay, sorry, I had a phone call had to take. So anyway, that's the front part. Here's the inside book page with more of the Tracy Fox Artymaze paper. I don't know who I got these cards from, but when I figure out, I will put them, I will link it down below. This is a greeting card. I love this, you guys, because I just make pockets out of them. So you could either make a pocket that goes this way or a pocket that goes this way. And that way you don't have to throw out your cards. You can keep them forever. You could also just rip off the front and make, you know, glue it on your page and make it in. So more pages from the kit. This is tracing paper. That's funny. Tracing paper from with Tracy Fox. So here's coffee dyed paper that I did, a little doily. I put some multi-matte medium over the top of it when I put it down. Some little pieces that come with the kit. This is a little envelope. I could have probably should have made a little booklet out. I think that's what I planned on doing, was making a little, putting some extra pages and then sewing down the center of it. But I can go back and do that. So that's cute. I like those. This was a freebie from one of them, or from both of them. I don't know which. I made it the back part of tour, more book page, put on there. Here's another one of those postcards. This is one of the ones from the kit, and you can see the stitching on there. It's not stitch, it's printed on, so that's cool. I added stuff to it. The cards are plain with just some little bits on it, and you can do the rest that you want to do to it. Another doily. I punched on my paper the edges. These I punched the corners, which it didn't work really well, but that's okay. Gives it some character, right? More parts to the kit. Book page. Another one of those cards. They had some really cute sayings. Do small things with great love. So there was a bunch of them that I got. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if they were freebies or if they were something that I bought on Etsy. More of that Quaker lace that Adrian gave me, and I made it into a tuck spot there. I also left this part unglued, so it's just like a tuck spot, so you could, you know, have long stuff in there if you needed. And then the end is slit, so I have this, one of the little envelopes that comes with the kit. I don't think I put anything in it. No, I didn't. And so yeah, I just put that in there. More of the paper. More coffee dyed paper. This was one of the little postcards. I cut this out into a oval, which I think it was an oval, but you just cut around it. Added some cheesecloth. I added it to the postcard with some Tim Holtz material that I had from my little, I made phone, crossbody phone cases and phone holders. And this is one of the little pieces I used for a tab that was left over. Nothing goes to waste, right? And more from the kit. This I'm not sure it was from the kit. I think that was one of the freebies too, but it might have been. So there was a bunch of stuff on it. Just added a little trim. And there we go. More of the kit. I made these book page pockets, and I was going to tell you, Stephanie over at CoffeePaperScissors on YouTube, she also has an Etsy shop with the same name. She does these really cool pockets. This is not one of them, but she just did it yesterday on video, and it's really cute. I'm going to do it in my next journal for sure, and it'll become pages. It ends up being like this, but it's a top pocket, but you could easily do this to it too. So this is Amity Bloom paper from her wallpaper one, and more kit paper there from her embellishments and tags from the kit. But go check out Stephanie's channel, because you're going to love that pocket that she does. She has lots of really cute tutorials. Cute. They're very cool. They're very inspiring tutorials that she does. A little coin envelope that my sister-in-law Lonnie gave me. A little postcard that came with the kit. Another one of these. There is beauty in simplicity. And book page, and I just glued it across the top and made a tuck spot out of it, so you can just, it just holds things. More of the punched paper. I got the punch on Amazon. I don't know. It's probably Fiskars. I think it was Fiskars. More Amity Bloom. More of the kit paper. Another book page pocket. More tracing paper. That's also the kit paper. This is really light. You can just barely see the writing on it. Or it's not writing, but the design on it. Makes it nice when you're writing. This is the center of my journal. And here are some beads that I added to my trims. So you can either put it up over the top and let it hang down the back, or you can let it hang down the bottom. You know, it's up to you. And I'll put it up this way and show you. I got these from Studio 28E, Sherry. And yeah, so I like those. She has lots of beads that you can sell, that she sells, and you can buy a box full of them. A little bit of everything. So I did that, and I love them. So here's a tag. This is one of the papers that I just cut around the outside of it and then fold it. You could actually cut them apart and make little tags out of them, add them to the other tags, rip them up, you know, whatever you want to do. But I double-sided it. You can also paper clip those to the outside. Like if you wanted to hold this closed, you could put this over the top and put a paper clip on it, and it could be, you know, work on your paper too. So this is another one of the tags. I fussy cut the little bird out. I do a go live every day, and I show you how to upload this stuff into your Cricut and let the Cricut cut it out. So that's kind of cool too. But I think this is one, yeah, that the Cricut probably cut out. I don't think I cut out that because it's got the little parts in here cut out. This is a kit page. So I'll leave a link to that. I do that every day. Here's more of the kit page. More tracing paper. Another pocket. This is Nick the Booksmith paper, journaling paper. Coffee paper. This is the other part of that coin envelope. I have I made a little book page pocket right here, so I just put some book page on the front, did a little thumb punch in it, and then slit the back of the pocket here. More of the kit, some paper I got from somewhere that was left over from a project. And another piece. This is all ephemera on here, that just this and this were printed on there. So it makes it great to add all your stuff to it. This is a paper bag. I watched Gail and Gustin Alley. I think that's how you say her name. I'll leave a link to hers too. So this is just a little paper bag, like a little cookie bag or whatever, bakery bag. And so you have your opening here, put some lace there, lace here, slit this end open, and put your lace around the outside. And you have a little booklet. It's really cute. Can hold lots of stuff. Lots of secret stuff, right? I love this. I love this kit, you guys. It's great. So I think these are from Bohemian Crafting, but they might be from the kit too. More coffee paper, more kit paper, another one of the clusters, paper bags, some more of the Quaker lace. A little envelope here, which I don't have anything in. But cute, you could write what it was, put tickets in there, whatever you want to do. More book page. As you can see, there's tons of room for writing. I'm a journaler by heart, and I journal every day, so I have to have lots of room for writing. More punch paper that I did, the other part of that doily, more of that freebie, another tag and kit stuff, another one of the birds. More of that Quaker lace, and again, you can tuck something up underneath here if you need be. More tracing paper. Here's some stuff from the kit. A little Carpe Diem, Seize the Day book page here. And here is the other part of that paper clip. So you can see that there. I just rolled it up. Took a little piece of book page that I had left over, made it into a pocket, put an eyelet in there, put some Tim Holtz fabric, little pieces on there. This is a strip of paper that was left over from another project. Put some of the words, the little flower things from the, made a little cute little strip tag there. And again, you have your pocket in the back. There's the back of the journal. And that is it. So go check out Artymaze's channel. Go check out Tracy Fox's, Bohemian Crafting, and Stephanie's channel. Coffee, Paper, Scissors. I get that wrong sometimes, so I didn't want to say it wrong. Coffee, Paper, Scissors, and I'll leave a link to her Etsy shop as well. So, all right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on this if you liked it. And over here, I'm going to put some videos you might like. This is a little bowl that my sister-in-law Deb made. Got all my colorful inks in there, so it's kind of fun. All right, so go create something fun, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Did you